My name is Arūnas Kulikauskas. I am from Lithuania. I was born in Lithuania, then I spent 23 years in the United States. And while in Lithuania, when I was 22, 23, I got interested in Eastern philosophies and Buddhism. And at that time, we didn't have any information, any books, any teachers. And bit by bit we were gathering information and trying to meditate and to sit, and it was very difficult. And some of my friends, they met, at that time, Seung-san, Zenster Seung-san came to Poland, and my friend from Lithuania, he went to Poland to meet him, and he became first monk from Lithuania. And all of us, somehow we didn't, at that time we didn't follow very much, but being in New York, I met Boheng Sunim again, and that time he was already almost 10 years monk in Korea at Kwanum school, and we met, and he said, "Oh, you old, my friend, let's go, I'll show you, don't do it alone. I'll show you, where to go and how to go." So he took me to Providence Zen Center and introduced me to Kwanum school, and I started meditating, and practicing within that school, and it happened 11 years ago. And since then, I am very glad I am in, with good friends and in good hands. My life before that was a real mess because I'm an artist, I'm a photographer and artist, and it was quite bohemian, quite a lot of drinking, a lot of smoking, a lot of other things. And I had 2 marriages, so it was quite a mess. Being in this school and meditating, actually practicing helped me a lot. Now I had immediately, a year, not even a year, less than a year after that, I got really normal job, really normal wife, 2 kids, happily life. I'm serious. And I believe, it's, how to say, it was sent from above to me, and it was just enough to start seeing, to open my eyes to the world, what is around me, and I don't have to invent anything. Just to open your eyes and respond to what you have around, and follow your heart. Following your heart is very important. And then all other questions, ask your teacher. That's what teachers are for. Then that's how wisdom, passes from one generation to another. So that would be my story.